All right, kids, metal, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. It is time to open up this Evolution box. All right, here we go. All right, kids, metal, we are back. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this is the second time I've had to unbox this. The first time I did it didn't go well because I used the GoPro and it was all fish-eyed and weird and it looked like crap. So we're just doing it again. I threw it back in its box and everything. All right, so this is an Evolution car I picked up on sale for $32, I believe it was, or $34, I can't remember, $35, something like that. So are you ready to see what it is? Here we go. Look at that. State Trooper Car, Chevy Camaro. I'm not a big Camaro guy, but I like this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this out of here and get a close look down on the turntable. All right, we are back and we are on the turntable. Check out this beautiful blue and silver State Patrol car. It's got, of course, your 911 and your State Patrol star on the side and on the hood. It's got your car number, 1520. Really cool filler cap, by the way. Another representation of the number. Some really mountainous things here. It says, I can't quite fully make it out, something of the state of, so I'm not 100% sure, but this Chevy Camaro looks really good. I have an Evolution chip. Thank you again, Brad. A chip to upgrade this Evolution to digital. Again, thank you, Brad. And I've got some tires ordered for this and they'll be coming. So there'll be a video coming up of us installing the digital chip into this and setting her up on the track and everything, but I can give you a quick look at what it looks like using my power supply here. Let me shut off this. Shut the turntable off. This will give you a look at what the lights look like and everything. There's your headlights, taillights, and of course the police lights. Those police lights aren't bright enough in my opinion. I will take care of that. I will show you how I do that when I do the video on more on this car. But there you go. So there's the unboxing of this new State Patrol Chevy Camaro. Really cool car. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Have a great day, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Whoops, trying to get my fingers in there. Ha! I'm clumsy sometimes. Again, see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like, please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any comments, please comment below and we'll comment back. Thank you again. Bye-bye.